If you're looking for ways to earn some extra bucks with a side hustle, a simple Google search will have you find a ton of results. However, depending on your skill, earning a respectable amount of cash and doing it quickly might be well within your reach. Some of the strategies that I'm gonna share with you today in this video will help you get there. But it all depends on the amount of time, education level, or skill that you have for each and every side hustle. Hey guys, I'm Belle from BudgetWithBelle.com, helping you create a budget, pay down debt, and save for the future. So today's video is going to be part 1, 30 lucrative side hustle ideas that I want to share with you. Online money making apps or websites. Sell your services on Fiverr. Fiverr.com is becoming extremely popular, if not already. On Fiverr.com, you can sell any of your services. Just list them up there and get going. Do micro jobs on Mechanical Turk, though it won't make you rich. Amazon Mechanical Turk form is one way you can earn some money. Write an ebook. Online learning is becoming the new wave. It's hot and there's plenty of opportunity for growth there. If you've always wanted to be an author, an ebook is probably one of the easiest way you can do that. Sell your technical services on Upwork. Upwork, like Fiverr, you can offer up your services on there, but there's a different twist to it. Upwork also provides a platform for accountants, lawyers, and other professionals to earn money. So if you're looking for those kind of people, you can find them on Upwork. And if you are an accountant, a lawyer, or have other skills or professional services that you can offer to people, Upwork is that platform for you. Rent your space or your room on Airbnb. I don't need to tell you guys much about that. Just a simple Google search will get you a ton of information. You guys probably heard and seen people making 6-figure incomes on Airbnb. Create an online course. Online courses are huge. It is a booming market, billions of dollars worth. I know plenty of people who make a killing off of that. That's how they sustain their income. That's how they sustain their families. That's how they sustain their lives. You can create a course on practically anything and you can sell it on Udemy, Teachable, or other platforms that allow you to host your course on there. And the best part about having an online course, you can make it evergreen or you can make it seasonal, and you can charge whatever you pretty much want, which is crazy. The thing that I love about online courses, if you have a skill or a talent or knowledge of something, you can harness that into a course and then sell it to people and provide them tremendous value. That's a huge plus on online courses, not just the potential of making thousands if not millions of dollars. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is exactly what it sounds like. You can go on their platform and offer up your skills and services to take care of items that other people don't care to do, such as putting furniture together or cleaning a roof or whatever's on there. It's an option of like making some quick cash if you're in a bind and you need that money immediately. Now this one I partake in, which is start a blog. Blogging is a lot of work. Writing is a lot of work. It's tedious. But if done correctly, there's multiple ways you can monetize your blog and make a killing. I know stay-at-home moms like myself who are doing 6 figures a year, even 7 figures a year from their blogs. And there's some people who just want to do an extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month. And it's all possible to do, but with a lot of work. Once you build it up and you build it up properly, it becomes a passive income source. You can literally almost set it and forget it. Do email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most profitable forms of marketing that exists online. However, attracting subscribers, right, and making personal connections could be a little bit difficult, but it's not feasible, but just a little bit of work. Become a virtual assistant. Now, like I was mentioning earlier about online courses and starting a blog, things I just mentioned, a virtual assistant can help you with all of these things. Virtual assistants are in high demand, and the best part, they start off with whatever prices they want. For example, if you want to make $30 an hour, you can charge that. If you want to make $50 an hour, you can charge that. But be a little bit mindful about the virtual assistant part. Finding clients that pay their invoices and on time could be a little bit, but there's a ton of money in the virtual assistant market. Like if you are into that, you're an organized person, you have different various of skills that you would like to offer to people, virtual assistant could be for you. For example, Pinterest. Pinterest is a huge platform that a lot of people make a lot of money off of. If you love Pinterest, you can offer your services as a Pinterest VA. If you love Facebook, you can offer your services as a Facebook VA. The list goes on. You can even offer your services as just someone to schedule someone's appointment. Empty out their email and box zero. Virtual assistant, it's endless. So just a simple Google search will yield a ton of results if that's something you're interested in. I would highly recommend doing VA work. Tutor over Skype or on a platform like VP Kids or Q Kids. There's a ton of kids who are looking to learn English as a second language and they have money to spend. These two sites that I just mentioned are always looking for people to help with that. Some of them require you to have a bachelor's degree while others do not. Do your research and find out. Sell products on Etsy. Etsy is lit. If you're quirky and you have different just skills besides knitting, creating t-shirts, you're really on your feet when it comes to cool sayings, Etsy's for you. Etsy allows you to sell homemade craft or sell digital goods on there too. I've seen plenty of people who are selling printables and doing just fine and sustaining their families on Etsy. Have a garage sale. You can always host a garage sale the traditional old-fashioned way, or you can host a virtual garage sale by using an app like Letgo, OfferUp, Drive for Uber, or Lyft. We've all been on rideshare apps and we probably all have them on our phones right now. So Uber and Lyft are always looking for people to drive for them. Start a YouTube channel. A lot of people think the only way you can make money off of YouTube is through their partnering up with their ads, but there's plenty of other ways you can monetize your YouTube channel without the 4,000 hours and the 1,000 subscribers. Like someone like myself, I'm still under 1,000 subscribers and I have yet to reach my 4,000 watch hours that I need to have ads run on my channel. But I monetize my channel in different ways. So if you look into the description box, you will see links. Those links are called affiliate links, which leads me to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably one of my favorite ways of making extra income or a side hustle. One, for me, it's extremely passive. Okay, let me explain. It's not always passive up front, but affiliate marketing is one of those things that once you set it up, you can honestly forget it, as long as you have traffic pushing towards it. The best definition of affiliate marketing can be found on Pat Flynn's Smart Passive Income website. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or other companies' products. You find a product that you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit each sale you make. It's that simple. Alright, if you're wondering how to get started with affiliate marketing, you have a few options. An easy way to find affiliate programs is to visit an affiliate marketplace or platform. Browse your niche to find the top performing affiliate platforms, and here are some of them: Affiliate Network, ClickBank, Offers, Flex Offers, and ShareSell. Like I mentioned earlier about starting a YouTube channel, there's not just one way of monetizing your YouTube channel. You can have affiliate links in your description box. Right now, I probably have Amazon links down there and some links to other networks like ShareSell if you wanted to join an affiliate platform. Basically, affiliate marketing is a great way of making money very passively, and the thing about affiliate marketing is the more people you push towards that link, the more money you make. That was the first half of 30 plus lucrative side hustle ideas that you can start today and start to make some money. The time that we live in, we are the side hustle nation. You know what I'm saying? Every single person is either doing something on the side after their 9 to 5. And while your 9 to 5 keep you just over broke, side hustles where it's at that you pay down debt and actually achieve the goals that you want to achieve. Side hustles are that. So that was part uno. Alright guys,